Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go.
Give me that. You're not going. He's looking at me. Just don't get too excited.
Yeah, that's a brat for her feet, not you.
You have to learn to ride down there in the summer if you want to.
Get up on it, Poncho. Down the ramp.
Yeah, you're right. You raise it too
Up,
high.
Poncho.
The seat can go higher. He said he would raise it for me, but if I did, I wouldn't be able to touch this, and I'll have to jump off
Mom,
the chair.
somebody's talking to you.
And he's right. This one's higher and a bit heavier than it should have. The other one would have been.
Are you taking pictures of him whining?
Yes.
Especially in those pajamas.
Yes.
You're a little whiner. And all this time I thought you were a cheweener.
You want to come here, kitty? Here, kitty. Come here, kitty. There, see?
You cannot go this time. And it better not rain. I'm going to be pissed. When I get back, I'll clean up all the mud and I'll use the broom. Where is it?
Hanging up.
Okay, should have left it over here so when I come back I can knock it off outside. If
I like
it.
your shoes.
I do too. Now I can take them out since I don't have to stand in the filth. Okay, let's see if I can get this out the door without too much mess.
Oh, this is going to be fun.
Shut up, wait.
Oh, he's going to turn on that camera.
I have.
Okay, he thinks I can't drive. I'll allow you to open the front door. How close am I to that table?
Wayne, you might want to let your wife
There's about a foot behind you.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Look out, world. Here comes Nana.
You know that thing you made?
Yeah.
Go back there, but
Yeah. We'll pull it in and clean it off.
She done did it.
It is clean, believe it or not.
Well, I'll put it back in place right now.
Right there.
Yes, I know.
Been hiding under my swing all the time.
Hi, Poncho. Oh, baby, it's okay. Come to Mama. Mama, love. Ow, honey. It's okay. Mama loves you. It's okay. Don't you cry, baby. Mommy loves you.
Okay, you're in the way, Christy.
Is that crack?
Yeah, that cracked the first time she rolled over it in your scooter.
Are you saying like that, asshole? No, the heavy scooter did.
With your fat ass in it.
Okay, we'll be back.
All right. Be careful.
I will.
Okay. The little old lady from Clear Lake Park is on the road. Look out, world. See over here, this piece of wood. I'm not looking at it. I'm looking in the monitor over here. I put down just inside the door. A little ramp. I made out a piece of a headboard off an old bed headboard. It tapers. It's notched to sit in that spot, and you use a tiny little ramp so the wheels of that electric mobility chair don't want to hang up, and it has to jerk to get over the threshold. Nana told me that that piece of wood is one of the better things I'd made for her. Okay, get whatever praise you can.